How to create clickable PDF button in Adobe InDesign. Open Adobe InDesign and add some new pages to your document. To open the control panel, press Ctrl plus Alt plus 6. Add your button text and format it the way you like. Go to Window, Interactive, click Hyperlink, then click on Create New Hyperlink. Set link to as page. Choose the page number you want the button to jump. Now go to File, Export, Save as type Adobe PDF Interactive and click Save. Open the exported PDF and test it. Your button is now fully clickable and jump to another page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more InDesign tips and quick tutorials.